Mykee, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about makeup and skincare empties that I love. I'm going to show you my product empties and why I love them and why I recommend them to you. So without further ado, let's start. By the way, the items that I'm going to share are a mix of Korean and local brands. So here it is, guys. So let's talk about them. Talk about local brands muna, and the first one that I emptied is from Mads Essentials. So Mads Essentials is a local brand na lahat ng products nila is composed of varieties of body scrubs. I've tried a lot of their variants now, but this one is my most favorite. By the way, everything that I'm going to mention in this video will be linked on the description down below. Ganito yung texture niya. What I love about Mads Essentials is sobrang ganda ng ingredients nila. As in, it's very natural and it's credible. Mapapagkatiwalaan mo talaga. Each time I use this, talagang ang ganda ng skin ko. And then, since tomato papaya to, it gives me an additional brightness to it. Diba? Mas nagiging bright yung skin ko. I mean. So, okay na to. Okay na yung price niya. Very reasonable considering the quality of the ingredients ng products ng Mads Essentials. So, next one is my most favorite hand sanitizer, the Nature Hand Sanitizer in Pomelo. Sobrang bango kasi nito. As in, ang dami nilang variants ng natural sanitizer. Tapos meron din sila nung malaking version. Pero sa Pomelo, wala pa sila nung bigger size. I really trust Nature brands kasi sobrang ganda ng quality ng ingredients nila. And it's really natural products talaga. And cruelty-free. Next up is the Unicorn Elixir by Hello Gorgeous. So, Hello Gorgeous is another local brand. And this one, meron pa siyang laman kung napapansin nyo dahil nirefillan ko siya ng coconut oil for my hair. So, yun. I really like this kasi nung ginagamit ko to, sobrang supple and glowing ng skin ko. Very hydrated. Parang very healthy looking, pero hindi niya na-stop yung breaking out ko. Para sa mga acne-prone skin, you may not like this. Pero ang ganda nito kasi medyo nag-balance yung skin ko dahil nga ang skin type ko is acne-prone, sensitive, combination skin. I'm oily in these areas, pero dry ako around these areas. So, I like this. Bibili ako ulit pag nag-sale ulit. Another Hello Gorgeous product. This is their Dio Whitening Cream. Sobrang nice nito, guys. This is around 300 pesos. Siguro maglalast to ng 1 month lang if you're using this every night. Ganito itsura niya. Ayan, ganito yung color niya. Sa umpisa white siya, pero habang tumatagal nagiging brown color siya, which is natural lang naman doon nangyayari dahil natural products na sila, sabi ng Hello Gorgeous. So by the way, this is very effective if you're looking for a product na effectively lightens your underarms. Ito yun. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ng mommy ko sa kanyang underarms. Sobrang dark ng underarms niya talaga. Secret lang natin yun. Pero simula nang ginagamit ito every night in just 2 months, ang ganda na ng kilikili niya. As in, very pantay na sa skin tone niya almost. So, ang galing nito. Kudos to this. Nakatapos ako ng isang tub nito, pero hindi ko na tinuloy dahil dumagdag yung pawis ko sa kilikili dahil pawisin ako sa kilikili. Next up is one of my holy grails and part of my skincare routine talaga is the Nature Jojoba oil. I really love this so much, as in parang 1 year ko na siya ginagamit pala as my moisturizer. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit nag-balance yung skin ko. Dati parang isang oras pa lang sobrang oily na ng skin ko, kaya maya-maya ka nagre-retouch. Dahil dito, nag-balance yung skin ko. Yun nga yung nakakatuwa eh. Pag the more oily you are, the more oils you need on your face. One of the safest oils you can use on your face kasi hindi siya comedogenic and very hypoallergenic, and it never clogs your pores. I love this so much, and this is just for 100 pesos. But of course, discount on my shop. Nature ulit. This is their natural feminine wash in Odor Protect. Parang 5 ata yung variants ng feminine wash nila, pero ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dahil syempre, I want to keep myself smelling great, right? Lalo na pag red days. Ayan. Meron din silang red days variant. Although I haven't tried it kaya hindi ko pa siya ma-recommend. But this one, talagang empty ko to and paulit-ulit kong binibili dahil I really love this. I really love this variant and this is just around 150 pesos if I'm not mistaken. Super sulit na kasi 165 ml to. Meron din sila ng mga maliliit na size. Next empty is Skincare by Lauren and Kbeauty. So ito yung antioxidant serum nila with SPF 70. So, diba, pangalan pa lang good news na it's not only a skin vitamin serum, it also has SPF 70. So I really loved it. I'm using this every day. I like that it doesn't break me out. I like that it has SPF 70. I like that it gives me bright, healthier skin dahil nga it's filled with vitamins, itong serum na to. Price at 600 pesos. Pero nag-flash sale sila. As in, nag-hoard kami ng mami ko na, ewan ko, 6 ata yun. And ubus na lahat yun. Tapos isa na lang yung bottle na natira dyan. So that's how much me and my mom loved it. Gumawa pa nga ako ng review sa Instagram ko noon. Check it out. Next up is makeup. And this is the Skinpotions Dream Cream. Ganito yung itsura ng packaging niya. Empty na yan, guys. Mukha lang hindi. Empty na talaga yan. And this is just 245 peso. 3-way velvet tint to. So I can use this on my lids, cheeks, and lips. And ito yung unang na ubos dahil ito yung favorite shade ko. Ang dami nilang shades. Ewan ko, nasa 20 ata. 20 plus. Pero ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite shade ko, yung Dilan. As in, ang ganda kasi. Parang coral peach color. Konti lang kailangan mo ilagay sa lips para mag-show up yung color. And then, pag ginagamit mo siya sa cheeks and sa lips, parang very natural tingnan. Ang ganda talaga. As in, parang mistisa natural. Ganon. Kaya ang ganda nito. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko sa Skinpotions Dream Cream nila. And next one of my most favorite skincare talaga is this Human Nature Overnight Elixir. So this is 30 ml for 1,200. Not bad kasi 30 ml na. And considering that this is a luxury oil for your face, lasted me 2 months to 3 months of using this bottle. So okay na. So, divide this to 3 months, diba? Yan, nagbago na yung packaging niya. Ganito na yung itsura niya. Ang ganda, diba? Even if Human Nature dealer, seller ako, hindi pa ako nakakabili ulit kasi nagtitipid ako ngayon. So, maybe next month, bili ako ulit. Ang ganda nito kasi sa skin. Nang ginagamit ko to, sobrang clear ng skin ko talaga. As no breakouts. Tapos kahit puyat ako, hindi halata na parang ang dull ng skin ko. Basta it really gave me a glowing skin, a brighter skin, and a softer skin. Yun talaga yung nagustuhan ko dito, guys. From Skinpotions, makeup ulit. Ito yung Skinpotions Glowdust. If you're not familiar, loose powder siya that you can use to set or just use alone on your face and it gives you a glowing effect. Diba ang powders, all they really do is to mattify your face, to set your face. Pero ito, it gives an additional glow to your makeup. Ang ganda talaga. In 3 months ko din nagamit to bago naubos yung Skinpotions Glowdust ko. So, sulit na siya para sa price na 399. And 3 ang shades nila. Next up is, again, Human Nature Body Butter. Ito talaga yung mga pinaka-nagustuhan ko na products nila. Ang ganda niya sa skin. Sobrang healthy ng skin mo. Sobrang soft and hydrated yung skin mo. Pag ito ang ginamit mo, dalawa yung variants nila. I love the Berry Bliss. Meron din sila ng Vanilla Peach. Mas gusto ko lang tong smell na to. Bango talaga nito, guys. Sobra. Tapos 300 lang to. So, sobrang sulit ng body butter. Eh, di ba ang body butter, mahal talaga siya usually. Tapos, medyo malagkit talaga siya and medyo heavy siya sa skin. This one, ito hindi. Pag nag-dry na siya, parang wala lang. Parang soft lang yung skin mo. Ganon. The next ones are Korean brands, and first up is the Innisfree Balancing Skin. Balancing Skin is a toner, and pag nakita nyo, thick talaga yung texture niya, kaya hindi ko siya ginagamit sa cotton pad. I only use it with my palms. Ilalagay ko yung toner, and then I'm just going to spread it on my face. Feeling ko lang parang mas effective kasi pag ginamit mo yung toner with just your palms, you don't use it with a cotton pad. Parang for me, mas effective lang talaga siya and mas tipid. This lasted me for a year, can you believe it? And buti na lang naubos ko na siya kasi 12 months lang yung shelf life niya na. I really love this because this really helped me balance my skin. And ang napansin ko when I started using this, yung mga bumps ko sa face, nag-lessen talaga. This is like my holy grail toner yet for me. Lastly is a new Korean brand which is the Hayejin toner. So, ito yung Blessing of Sprout Radiance toner. Kasi hindi ko pa nga napopost yung review ko dito. Pero ang ganda nito guys, ginagamit namin ng mommy ko to. This is a luxury brand, kaya mahal talaga yung kanilang products. Pero ang ganda nito guys, simula nung ginamit namin to ni mommy, mas naging supple yung skin namin. Yun ang una namin napansin. Mas naging soft yung skin. And very hydrating siya sa skin. Kahit hindi niya na-add up yung oiliness sa face ko. So, maganda siya sa combination skin. My skin looked healthier and softer because of this. So, that's all for my makeup and skincare empties that I recommend. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications on so that you may see my future videos. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this video and about me. See you on my next video, hopefully. Thank you so much and God bless.